What's up guys, it's Cody. So for this week's video, I'm going to be comparing the Monoprice Select Mini 2 to the Prusa mk2 kit. So I'm going to start off with the Monoprice Select Mini 2. This is really a desktop size printer in its definition. It's really compact, but that also gives away to the build volume, which is really small compared to most printers. But some of the things it can do good is that it is really small, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. It can use a lot of different materials like ABS, PLA, PETG, and it has a heated build platform. So some of the things that I like about the Prusa mk2 is that it's a very big printer, which allows you to print bigger parts. I think that the build tray on the mk2 is a better quality than the Monoprice Select Mini, because as you've seen, it normally comes with build tech, but I've already ripped that up a few times, so I replaced that with perf board with binder clips. I think that's what it's called. But so far it turns out to be a whole lot better, it lasts longer, and it also allows the bottom of the print to stay heated because of the hose in the perf board. So both of these printers have LCD screens, which allows you to move the build tray back and forth. Has a better, you can adjust the heat time, print from an SD card or connect to USB cable, which is different than the Mod T. Both of these printers have power buttons and external battery cables. So both of these printers can print in ABS, PLA, or PETG, and some more exotic filaments. I think this is somewhat of a disadvantage for the mk2 because it's a larger build platform. You can have a hard time finding a printer enclosure that fits it, right? Unlike the Monoprice Select Mini that you saw, it had a enclosure that I made for it already. But right now I think that the mk2 does have better print quality. It seems like it's faster in the firmware and material and stuff it's made of, allows to have a better print quality than the Monoprice Select Mini. These two printers are also at different price points. The Monoprice averages about $200, while the mk2 averages about $700 with a kit build. So that is a pretty big price difference. But I think the Select Mini is a good budget printer, and it can print for a lot of different materials for that price point. It's also a plus. So I think if you're looking for a budget printer, the Monoprice Select Mini is a good one to get. I would probably say get the Mod T, but since Pneumatic is out of business, I think the Monoprice Select Mini is going to be the top budget printer to use. But if you're looking for a better quality printer or bigger build volume, I think the Prusa mk2 is a good option. Right now I think that the CR10 is Prusa's biggest competitor with that size printer, because the CR10 is cheaper to buy and it is about the same build volume, and it can print with the same print materials. I haven't tested one now, so I don't know if the print quality is any better. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We'll see us make more of these compare and contrast videos. Leave a comment below, and also leave a comment about printers you want us to try to compare against. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.